Mexico City, one of the most polluted urban areas on Earth. But there are projects underway that seek to tackle the problem of air contamination, one of them in the flourishing construction sector. At one neighbourhood development project, the very cement used to make the walls of the newly built houses cleans the air. It's a product called Oximuro. Architect Adolfo Correa supervises the installation.
La gran mayoría de partículas contaminantes provienen de vehículos.
The majority of contaminating particles come from the emissions of internal combustion engines, which are absorbed into the substance. Then, through a process of photocatalysis, those particles are absorbed into the wall and removed from the air.
Transforma en aire limpio.
The project costs less than $1 more than a 20-kilo bag of regular wall plaster, and today has been installed on buildings across the capital. For air contamination consultant Andrea Bisberg, the efforts to clean Mexico City's air mustn't stop here.
These are technical solutions which don't consider the root of the problem, which is that we are polluting too much and may actually delay taking real action. And by that I mean implementing public policy which reduces the amount of contaminants we release into the atmosphere.
But for the construction industry, a sector which pumps its fair share of contaminants into the atmosphere, it's a contribution the finished buildings can make to the collective problem.
Por cada metro cuadrado que se aplica de oximuro,
The Oximuro installation cleans the air constantly and continues to work for decades. As long as it receives sunlight and rainfall, the photocatalysis absorbs and digests the particles that come into contact with the wall.
In a concrete jungle, the more buildings that act like trees, the better. Alistair Baverstock, CGTN, Mexico City.